it's Layle with Layle by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at my brand new life captured 5x7 acrylic mini book project kit. So first we will take a look at the completed project, then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. So for this particular project, I have used the Simple Stories Life Captured collection, and it is a great kind of all-purpose collection for documenting kind of those everyday moments or even milestones, what have you. So we're starting out with a 5x7 acrylic album. So you can see that see-through, so nice 2-inch black coated rings. So when you do an acrylic album like this, you can add a little bit to the top cover and then have your cover underneath. The way that I have organized the project basically is I've divided it into 12 months. So you kind of have 12 different sections, one for each month of the year. And within each section, you have room for multiple photos, journaling, pockets, different kinds of things like that. So inside, kind of your inside front cover, you have a pocket that's great for additional photos, memorabilia, what have you. Then we move into the first section. Each section starts out with a 4x6 vertical pocket page. So you have you have 12 of those in the project kit. Each section, each month is starting out with a nice white grid. So there you could do journaling if you wanted, or you could add a photo there. So we see January. On the back side, room for a photo. We have a little interactive element here where you have a glassine bag, and inside that bag is a piece with a photo and then a tag. And the part with the photo slides in the glassine bag, and then the tag, the shipping tag, sits on top of that. That is all adhered to a 5x7 page. On the back, I love using pom-pom trim, especially in these acrylic albums, because you can have that little pom-pom trim that sticks out kind of the side of the book, which I think is really fun and whimsical. Another page for January, or as we start into February, this could be a photo for February. Really up to you on how you want to do that. As we move into February, another 4x6 pocket, your February and the number. You have a little interactive element here where those doors open and you can add journaling and or photos there. Move into March. So you start to see the same type of formula. You have the month starting out in one of those 4x6 verticals, and then some kind of little fun interactive element like that little side door. So we move into April, little pocket that lifts up, or excuse me, a little door that lifts up there. May, you are starting out with an acrylic or an acetate, excuse me, a clear acetate polka dot piece. And then you have that pocket underneath. For May, a little interactive here, just not so much interactive, I guess, but a little bit different. You have a little piece that's holding onto your photos and photo mats there. So we move into June. Really fun foam stickers, part of this collection that I've included in the project kit. As we get to July, beautiful colors, like I said, super neutral, works for really any month of the year, great icons and words. Here you have a door that lifts up, and then you have a 3D card. So door lifts up, and then you'll see that, oops, you got to attach that a little bit better. Door lifts up, and then you have that 3D card that kind of pops up when you open that little door. So it's kind of a fun little interactive element there. Moving into August, tons of room for photos, great camera icons. As we move into September, little door that folds open there. October, we'll flip up. November, here we have a little side door, and your November kind of splits between the two pages there on top of the pocket page. And then we have December. So there you have it. That is the completed project kit. As always, the Layle by Mail mini book project kits include everything that you need to put the project together, all of the product, along with color step-by-step instructions and access to a 3-hour video class where I put the project together with you step by step. So I'm going to move in the contents of the kit. So here you have the two 5x7 clear acrylic covers. They are coated with a plastic to prevent them from getting scratched during shipping. So obviously you want to pull that plastic off of both sides of each piece. The 2-inch black coated rings. You have the 12 pocket pages. So you have a package of 10 and then two extra. Some little doodads. You have a shipping tag. You have the pom-pom trim. You have a piece of yellow baker's twine. You have a couple of different pre-cut 4x6 pieces to play with, and also that 4x6 polka dot clear acetate. There you have the vellum or the glassine bag, the color step-by-step instructions, and then we move into some of the product from the Life Captured collection. So the 2 6x12 sheets of the foam stickers. And oh my goodness, I say this every time, but I love, love, love the Simple Stories foam stickers. They just give such a great added dimension and pop of color and shape and so forth to your project. So we have that. We have the Life Captured 6x8 paper pad, 2 sheets each of 24 different patterns. So you get a good feel of those as I was flipping through the project, but just super great, neutral, great colors, really fun icons, suited for really, as I said, documenting anything. You have the sticker book, so 12 sheets, 571 stickers into this sticker book. So you have a mixture of icons, circles, a great alpha with lots of letters and numbers. You have the 12 months in individual stickers, lots of little hearts. A sheet that has border strips, great border strips. They're fun for accenting your photos and things. So lots of little border strips there, some with scalloped edges. You have tab stickers. I used a ton of these throughout the project. You have a sheet of the, like the, oh my gosh, I want to call it a word board. But you know, those boards where you like write things on, I'm totally, the word there is totally escaping me. Tile board, word tile board, I don't know. And then you have some really fun kind of labels with icons on them. So 571 stickers there. And then you have 2 sheets of that white grid. You're cutting those into 4x6s. So you have 1 4x6 for each of the 12 months. So there you have it. That is the Everyday Life Captured mini book project kit. I have included a link in the description box of the video down below to purchase. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.